Hello everybody, this is Curry Mac, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade chili. This is going to be a double recipe version of it. If you want the single recipe version, it will be at the bottom of the description along with this one. So let's begin. First we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then the chopped onions. And stir it for about 5 minutes. Add the ground beef and break it down with a wooden spoon. Once that's done, your ground beef should look like that. And then next, add 5 tablespoons of chili powder. Next, add 4 tablespoons of cumin. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 teaspoons of salt, one teaspoon of ground pepper, and then we'll stir it up until it's blended together. Next, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. And next, we're going to stir it until it's well blended together. Next, we're going to add 3 cups of beef broth. Next, we're going to add 2 cans of Rotel diced tomatoes. Next, we're going to add 2 cans of pinto beans. And then 2 cans of tomato sauce. Go ahead and stir this up, and then after you stirred it up, bring it to a boil for 30 minutes. After that, reduce the heat down to about medium heat and stir it occasionally uncovered. And this is how it looks like after you finish with it. This was a very delicious chili. This goes great on Frito chili pies. Or you can just eat it in a bowl by itself. Or you can have crackers with it. So give it a try. You definitely won't be disappointed. I'll see you next time.